Hey everybody, hope you're all doing good and hope you're all safe. A very good evening to all of you and welcome to Oliveboard's 100 most important questions revision series for current affairs. So we'll be completing the October and November month current affair revision with today's lecture. And let's get into the video very quickly, guys. If you can let me know with a yes in the comment section, we'll be moving into the lecture very quickly. Yes, Anuj, Shrey, Nikhil, good evening, everyone. Yes, I hope everything is clear and we are good to begin. Yes, Shrey, don't worry. We've been providing PDF for all our revision series, and you will be getting the PDF for the revision series for current affairs too. Do not worry. Yes. So, as we move towards the new year tomorrow, one quote which I think is this quote is really close to my heart, and I think this is going to make sense to all of us too. So be like the phoenix. Sometimes you just have to die a little inside in order to be reborn and rise again as a stronger and wiser version of you. And what is a better opportunity than starting a new year with a better version of ourselves, isn't it? So a very, very happy new year in advance to all of you. And may we all become more stronger and wiser and even nobler with this new year. I want every one of you to also note about the upcoming events at Oliveboard, which will help your preparation for SEBI Grade A and also RBI Grade B examination. For this week, we'll be having today government schemes lecture series on RBI Grade B Phase 2, and it is going to be at 8:30 p.m. You will find the links for the same in the description box below. So let's begin the class. The first question for the day is this. IRDAI sets up the panel to examine the need for standard cyber liability insurance product, which is chaired by which of the following persons, right? So this committee is chaired by which person? Yes, already answers coming up. Good job, guys. Yes, it is P. Umesh. So the panel which is heading the cyber liability insurance product is being headed by Mr. P. Umesh, right? We all know that there are not many products which are going to cover cyber risk. The most of the risks are in terms of life or accident risk, and there is no particular product that is generally covering cyber risk. And this committee is looking for creating statutory provisions on such kind of scenario on information and cyber security, and also look into whether there is a possibility of creating a standard cyber liability insurance product, understanding that going forward there is going to be the number of risks in the cyber domain have been increasing and it is going to just increase forward. Next question, which of the following has been appointed as the head of the advisory panel formed by Niti Aayog to look into introducing reforms in the urban planning education system? A. Arvind Panagaria, B. Rajiv Kumar, C. Amitabh Kant, D. Ranjit Rana, and E. Vivek Debroy. What is the answer? So, who is heading this advisory panel formed by Niti Aayog to look into urban planning education system? Good job, guys. It is B. Rajiv Kumar is heading this panel, which is looking into reforms in with respect to the urban planning education system. This committee is going to examine the current systems in terms of the curriculum and other related issues with respect to the urban planning. So if you look at Indian scenario, urban planning has not been that very standardized and it is trying to be evolved, and that is why this committee has been coming up, because we know that in few more years by 2050 the urbanization pattern in India is going to be very, very rapid. Next question. RBI has allowed banks to hold enhanced held to maturity limit of 22% for SLR securities that are acquired between September 1, 2020 and March 31st, 2021 up to, so what is the extension going to? So between this period, whatever securities are going to be there, it's going to be extended to up to, yes, some of the answers are already here. It is March 31st, 2022, right? So RBI has recently allowed banks to hold this enhanced HTM or held to maturity limit of 22%. So you also have to remember here what is the percentage for SLR securities. It's going to be 22%. This is important, which can also be expected from the examination point of view. And this is going to be extended up to March 31st, 2022. And banks can continue to hold any such excess SLR securities in HTM category going forward till 2022 March 31st. Right. So what is HTM? As we all know that these are those securities which will be owned till maturity. By the name itself, you can understand that these are those securities which will be which we need to be holding till the maturity. Right. Next question. SBI has joined hands with which of the following to offer premium products: SBI Card Elite and SBI Card Prime? A. Citibank. B. American Express. C. Standard Chartered. D. Visa. And E. Mastercard. So, with which of the following it has gone for this partnership? SBI. This is October month, Yogita. What is the answer? SBI has joined hands with which of the following? The answer here is B. American Express. So SBI and American Express are offering these premium products called as SBI Card Elite and SBI Prime. So this is an important partnership, and you can also expect if they are talking about American Express, you can expect that they'll ask on which is that card which is collaborating with the American Express. So this is only going to be for the privileged or exclusive category of consumers in India. So these are top and premium products that they are trying to expand. Next question. SEBI forms a committee to recommend policy for securities market data. It is chaired by which of the following? A. MS Anand. B. Madan B. Lokur. C. Professor Deepak Pathak. And D. Madhabi Puri Butch. And E. None of the above. What is the answer? So this committee on security markets data is chaired by which of the following personalities? It is B. Madhabi Puri Bush. Right? So he is heading the Committee for Security Market Data. So they will be recommending the necessary policies or appropriate policies which will give access to the security market data, and also they will try to identify segment wise data parameters, and also look at how the existing data privacy models are there and how better it can be made. So these are the main takeaways from this committee that we will be going forward. Next question. India's first base metal futures index, Metaldex, was launched by Multi Commodity Exchange, the country's leading commodity bourse. It is based on how many metals? A, 2, B, 3, C, 5, D, 4, and E, 6. So how many metals is it covering? Metaldex, which was launched by MCX, is covering how many base metals as a part of its calculation? The answer for this question is C, 5. Right? So Metaldex covers 5 base metals, which include zinc, copper, nickel, lead, and aluminium. Right? So these are the metals that Metaldex covers. So as you all know that this is for the very first time such a metal index has been created in India, and it is covering 5 such metals. 7 questions of the following became the first bank to go live on RBI's account aggregator framework? A. Bank of Baroda. B. Ind Bank. C. Yes. D. Canara. And E. None of the above. So which bank became a part of RBI's account aggregator framework for the very first time? Yes, it is B. Ind Bank became the first bank in the country to come under the new account aggregator framework of RBI, right? So, very, very important. Next question. Which of the following e-commerce company partnered with Bajaj Alliance to launch cyber insurance digital Suraksha Group insurance product? So the e-commerce company which is partnering with Bajaj Alliance for launching the cyber insurance product is A. Snapdeal, B. Amazon, C. Flipkart, D. IndiaMart, and E. None of the above. What is the answer, guys? Yes, it is Flipkart. So Flipkart is partnering with Bajaj Allianz (FB) to launch this cyber insurance product, which is called as Digital Suraksha Group Insurance. So it is going to help customers cover themselves against the financial losses which are caused result by way of cyber attacks or cyber frauds or any other kind of malicious activities which are happening online, right? So we know here that who is the current MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz Group? It is Mr. Tapan Singhal is the current MD and the CEO, and it is headquartered in Mumbai. Next question is BOB Financial Solutions Limited partners with Dash to launch 4 new variants of BOB credit cards. A. Mastercard, B. Visa, C. Standard Chartered, D. Citibank, and E. None of the above. What is the answer? BOB is partnering with which of the following companies for this 4 new variants of BOB credit cards? Yes, MasterCard. Absolutely correct. So the correct answer here is MasterCard. BOB and MasterCard are collaborating with each other and they are launching this 4 new varieties of BOB credit cards. So this is mainly to give a push to the liquidity for the salaried customers and help them join this cashless cycle of economy. That is why this cards have been launched by both of them, BOB and MasterCard. Next question. ZenPay Solutions partnered with which of the following bank and YAP join hands to digitalize salary accounts for SME and MSMEs? Small, medium enterprises and micro, small, and medium enterprises. So ZenPay is collaborating with which of the following bank? ICICI, RBL, HDFC, SBI, and Axis. Yes, it is RBL Bank. Lot of you answered it correctly. Good job, guys. So ZenPay is collaborating with RBL Bank for launching this digital salary accounts for the SMEs and MSMEs, right? So it is going to give benefits like instant activation, easy know your customer norms for these customers, and less paperwork. So it is overall going to make it very seamless for SMEs and MSMEs. Next question: the RBI set the ways and means advances limit at how many crores for the central government for the second half of the financial year? So what is the limit that RBI set for ways and means advances for the second half of the financial year? 0. 0.5 crores, 1 crore, 1.52, and 1.25 lakh crores. So what is the answer? Yes, it is E, right? Guys, you have to just add that these are 1 lakh crore, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, and 1.25 lakh. Please note that it is the correct answer is E, 1.25 lakh crores. So RBI has set this ways and means advances limit of 1.25 lakh crore for the second half of the financial year. And what is ways and means advances? These are nothing but they fall under the category of capital receipts of Government of India. So remember that these are a way of raising capital reserves for Government of India, and it is going to take the government will be receiving the money from RBI, right? So that is what ways and advances means advances is going to do. So it's going to provide a short-term advance to the Government of India to meet its liquidity. Next question: India's biggest property deal, RMZ, to sell $2 billion of offices to which of the following? A. Onyx, B. Brookfield, C. The Carlyle Group, D. The Veritas Capital, and E. None of the above. What is the answer? Yes, it is Brookfield, right? So RMZ has made this biggest property deal of India and selling around 2 billion rupees of its worth of its offices to Brookfield. Next question: which of the following bank has been named as the safest bank in India for the 12th consecutive year by New York-based trade publication called as Global Finance? So which is that bank which has got this recognition of being the safest bank in Asia? Unit Credit, DBS, Citi, CAXA, and BNP Paribas. Yes, absolutely correct. And DBS Bank has recently again been rewarded as the safest bank in Asia. And what is the safest bank in the world, it is KfW from Germany. So in the world, it is KfW, Germany, which has won the world's safest bank. And in Asia, it is DBS Bank, which has been named as the safest bank. And this is for the 12th consecutive year. So you can expect questions on those lines too. Next question, SBI signed a loan agreement amounting to how much with the Japan Bank for the international cooperation? What is the answer? So, how much is the loan agreement between SBI and JBIC, Japan Bank for International Cooperation? 0.5 billion, 1 billion USD, 1.5 and 2 billion. Yes, a lot of you answered it correctly, and it is 1 billion US dollars. That SBI has recently uh, signed a loan agreement with JBIC, and this loan will be providing funds mainly to the manufacturing sector, the suppliers, and the dealers of Japanese automobiles in India. So this is going to help improve the manufacturing in the country. So it's going to even assist the Make in India movement. Next question, which of the following bank announced the launch of banking services on WhatsApp for its customers? Very, very important, and I think very simple. So which bank recently announced this banking services on WhatsApp? ICICI, IDBI, HDFC, Axis Bank. Yes, it is IDBI. So IDBI Bank has launched banking services on WhatsApp for its customer for improving the customer experience. So now they'll be giving services through dedicated WhatsApp verified numbers. So and also it will be end-to-end encrypted, and all the bank customers will have that capability of going and availing the bank services through this WhatsApp number. Next question, which of the following fintech companies has launched digital gold on its platform? A. Google Pay, B. Paytm, C. Amazon, D. Bharat Pay, and E. Razorpay. So which is that which has recently launched digital gold on its platform? Yes, it is D, Bharat Pay. So Bharat Pay is the fintech company which has recently launched digital gold on its platform. And what is it going to do? Through this, you will see that the Bharat Pay's merchants will be able to buy and sell around 99.5% pure. It is going to sell and buy 99.5% pure 24 karat gold, right? And that is why they have also partnered with Save Gold, which is a for launching this digital gold on its platform. They have been partnering with which online platform? It is called as Save Gold, right? And who is the current CEO of Bharat Pay, guys? We all know that Bharat Pay was founded in the year 2018, but who is the current CEO of Bharat Pay? It is Mr. Ashneer Grover, right? Ashneer Grover is the current CEO of Bharat Pay. And what are the key takeaways? As we have seen, Bharat Pay is collaborating with Save Gold for launching this digital gold on its platform for enabling the merchants buy and sell gold. Next question. Which of the following bank has introduced Kisan Credit Card Loan Scheme for fishermen in Tamil Nadu? A. Bank of India, B. HDFC, C. Indian, D. Canada, and E. State Bank of India. So which is that bank C loan scheme for Tamil Nadu fishermen? What is the answer, guys? Yes, a lot of you answering correctly, and it is C, Indian Bank. So 1 lakh women in India with digital skills. Guys, is it still buffering? I hope everything is working fine now. Yes, absolutely correct. It is E, Microsoft is the correct answer. So, which company has collaborated with NSDC? It is Microsoft for improving the skills of the women, right? And that is why they are aiming to empower 1 lakh women. So, even this can also be asked. And this partnership is mainly to bring more women into the workforce so that you will see that they can also thrive using this digital skill. Next question. Stella Apps has launched a first of its kind fully automated direct payment platform called as MooPay for dairy farmers of which of the following state? So What is the answer? Sometimes you can have questions based on these also. Which is that entity which has launched this kind of direct payment platform, which is called as MoPay, or you can have questions on what is the name of the platform that has been launched. And now we are talking about it is going to cater to the dairy farmers of which state? Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Karnataka. Yes, fantastic. And it is D, Rajasthan. So Stell Labs is collaborating with uh, Rajasthan dairy farmers for providing an automated direct payment platform. Right? What is Stell Labs? It is IIT Madras. This is a startup which is incubated in IIT Madras, and this has come up with the initiative called as MooPay for the dairy farmers in Rajasthan. And this is a completely automated platform, as you also can see, and it is also going to enable the delivery of cattle loans, insurance, livestock insurance, and innovative fintech solutions. Right? So these are all going to be through one product and platform, which is called as MooPay. Next question. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched MSME Prerna, an online business mentoring program for MSMEs, by which of the following public sector bank? And this is a very, very simple question, and I think it is a very popular question too. So, which is that bank which has launched MSME Prerna, which is an online business mentoring program? Yes, it is D, Indian Bank, right? Which has launched this online mentoring program. As you can see, Indian Bank will be providing the mentoring support and providing necessary capacity building workshop for entrepreneurs in local languages, right? Since MSME sector is one of the worst hit sector during the COVID-19 pandemic, there are a lot of initiatives which are targeted around the strengthening of MSME sector. Next question, which are the following bank launched tracking and monitoring staff accountability cases portal and also 2020 vigilance manual? A, ICICI, B, HDFC, C, Axis, D, Canara, and EPNB. So which bank has launched this portal for tracking the staff accountability cases? What is the answer, guys? Yes, some of you already answering. It is PNB Bank, which has launched this tracking and monitoring staff accountability cases and for improving the vigilance within its bank cases. That is why it has gone for launching this kind of digital portal. Next question, RBI has raised the maximum aggregate retail exposure limit to entities with 50 crore turnover to how many crore rupees? So earlier it was, so what it has been increased now for all those retail entities with 50 crore turnover. Yes, it is D, 7.5 crores is the correct answer. Earlier it was 5 crores and now it has been increased to 7.5 crores. You can also expect questions on the reverse lines. So if the current current limit is 7.5 crores, what was the earlier, right? So it is 5 crore. So RBI has raised this maximum aggregator retail exposure limit to the entities with turnover of up to 50 crores to 7.5 crores. And this is mainly again to increase credit flow towards the small businesses, right? The most of them are surrounding the same reason. Next question, IRDA has announced guidelines on standard individual term life insurance product, which is called as Saral Jeevan Bima. All the life insurance companies will mandatorily have to offer the standard product with effect from which date? So this Saral Jeevan Bima will be provided from which date? Yes, good job. And it is C, January 1st, 2021. From tomorrow onwards, you will be seeing that all the insurance company can launch their products, which is going to comply with the standard product of Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana. So it is an individual pure risk premium life insurance policy where you will see we have to pay the sum assured in a lump sum to the nominee in case of death of the life. That is what is being assured. But here it is only going to exclude suicide. Suicide will not be covered. And what is the minimum sum that will be assured? It is 5 lakh, and the maximum sum that will be assured under the scheme is 25 lakh, right? So minimum is 5 lakh and maximum is 25 lakh. However, IRDA is also allowing companies to offer higher than this 25 lakhs under certain conditions. 24th question, which of the following bank partnered with Vistara to launch co-branded Forex card? A. Axis, B. ICICI, C. HDFC, D. SBI, and E. IndusInd. So which bank has partnered with Vistara to launch this co-branded Forex card? And in how many currencies, right? Yes, good job, guys. And it is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank is collaborating with Vistara to launch this co-branded Forex card, and it is going to load up to how many currencies? It is going to load, this Forex card can load 16 currencies, right? And the card has already logged in exchange rate, and it it is going to be useful for the customers, and they'll also get rewarded with some points as a welcome bonus on signing up for this Forex card. Next question is, to the following company announced a partnership with SIGNZ, a regulatory tech startup, to enable the video-based KYC solutions for its banking customers. So which company has announced this partnership with SIGNZ, a regulatory tech startup company, to enable this video-based Know Your Customer solutions for its banking customers? A. Standard Chartered, B. Mastercard, C. Citibank, D. Visa, and E. American Express. What is the answer? Yes. So it is Mastercard, which is partnering with Sinzi, or a RegTech startup, as we've seen, to introduce this kind of video-based Know Your Customer, and this will allow Mastercard to provide a completely paperless, remote, and also secure onboarding solution for all the customers, right? So we have completed October and November month quick revision for current affairs, guys. So next week also we'll come up with the new revision for the current affairs. So stay tuned with us, and keep subscribing to Oliveboard so that you will get the regular updates. And I want you all to note that at Oliveboard we have got this complete course which can enable your SEBI Grade A preparation. So it is going to provide you exclusive materials for your paper 2 and phase 2 of the examination. You can avail the same using P30 as a coupon code, which will help you get a 30% discount too, right? Thank you so much, guys. And also today we have a lecture at 8:30 p.m. for all those who are aspiring for becoming RBI Grade B officers. So it is going to be based on government schemes lecture series. You will find the links for all of these in the description box below. Thank you so much, guys, and a very, very happy new year in advance. May God be with you, and may all your noble dreams come true. And if you have found the video useful, please hit the like button. And if you want to stay updated with respect to the examination preparation process, please subscribe to Oliveboard channel and have a great learning experience.